Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to see your Instagram password. So to do this, we should understand first of all how Instagram password work and what are the options where you may find your Instagram password. So if you go to Instagram and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen, and after that go to account center, and after that go to password and security and go to change password and choose your Instagram account. As you can see, you cannot see your current password, and it's not like available for you to see your current password. And the only option for you to see your current password for Instagram is by using applications like password for iOS or password manager for Android phones, because these apps store your passwords. You can put the password by yourself there, or in some cases they can even store directly your password. So if your password is stored in one of these applications, you can open just that application and go to see your Instagram password. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.